G'day viewers, well, I hope everyone has a good, wishing everyone a good 2025. This will be the last upload for 2024. As Cheryl would say, here's your dinner. Little life hack I came up with and just put together with ideas and things I've seen on the internet and things as you do. And I sort of put two and two together and made four. And now I've got a number, and guess, look at this. You can see what the 2 and 2 and the 4 equal. Look at that. I thought, look, there's old bits here, which are kind of buggered. A couple of buggered bits. I've rebirthed them. Still need a bit of fine tuning, but these were chipped and mangled, manked impact bits, which had a hell of an impact over time, and they've become useless until today. So I fixed those ones up, rebirthed them. That one wasn't too bad, just ground the end off a little bit. But I want to resharpen it again, make it new again. Because I always keep broken impact bits because they're hard steel. You can use them as centre punches. You can sharpen them to a sharp point. They make good centre punches. Thought, well, the ceramic on the spark plug's pretty bloody hard, and you could use them as a machining tip, like on a lathe, like the cutting tip here that goes on a lathe. This is if you want to do it on a budget, because the ceramics are hard. What you do, you put your tip of your screwdriver in there like that on your Phillips head. You get a nice, hold it nice and steady, and square it in, and then this can actually rebirth the tip. You can fix your bits. This is the most worst, there's a lot, and it's actually a lot better than what it was. You see the shiny bits where the spark plug did the job. I did try this with some general bits and just didn't work out too well. So I thought, well, hang on a minute, spark plugs are pretty tough things. The ceramic's nice and strong. I'll use it. So it's actually looking pretty good. A little bit more to be doing that one here yet. That needs more fine tuning. So like that, hold it nice and square. Providing you hold it square, providing you hold it nice and square, you can do a pretty good job and get these bits rebirthed and they can be used again. I've also modified this drill. I think I might have already done a video on this. I'll do it again. Because these aren't really available locally, I can buy these in Taiwan anywhere. Mechanical push button switches, no one locally sells these. I can only give you a contactor. A latching on-off contactor like this is in a box. So the contactor in there, latch on, latch off. That's all well and good, but that's actually too bulky and big to fit inside this bloody little enclosure here where the original switch was. So I thought, well, these buttons really aren't OH&S compliant anymore. You can hit that all you want, but it's not designed to be hit as an emergency stop. It can break as it has. They're not work safety approved anymore, so I see a lot of these getting thrown out because they can main. I've got to get one with an e-stop. I've modified this one here because that switch wasn't available, and I don't want to. So well, it's not intrinsically as safe as it can be. So I just went to J-Car, got an e-stop, put that on there. Intrinsically safer now. It's just, and now it's OH&S compliant. But ideally, a foot should be on the bottom of the foot switch you step on in case your arms get caught and you can't reach that. That's a requirement now in a commercial, or if we're working for a council or places like that, especially the councils, they're very strict on that. So you have to have an e-stop on the ground that you can access where your foot is and hit it with your foot and stop on it like that. So that's pretty damn good. Intrinsically safer now for the home. The ones of these, they do make these types of ones from China with a flap that folds down over the switch and it lifts up and you hit the flap on top of the switch and that's your e-stop, but they're not really designed to be hit, where this is designed to be hit in an emergency and not break. That's why I put this one here on there and made it a lot safer. Put a new belt on here, had a belt laying around somewhere. That's the right gauge for these pulleys, had to do some modifications, remount the motor. Yeah, good quality old Taiwanese made drill. A lot of the Chinese ones are metals, even really crap. The mother will make them out of plastic, they'll be stronger. But this one works really well. polish up the chuck. It was only the most thing that was broken on it when I got it was this was missing. I just made a new one. Cast iron valve, gate valve handle, to welding in a nut and made it better. There we go, I'll give this a bit of a run over and we'll see how clean it is. I need two hands to this, I've never got a tripod for this camera here. Now these two impact bits are quite hard indeed, very hard. But a Sparkplug ceramic is much harder and can machine that and shape it. This just worked really well on this one. The angle is not quite right, I've got to get more of an angle on this for a screw to get deeper into a screw. Yeah, as I said, you just go like that and just square it up with your hand and steady it and just proceed to go like that until you get it nice and right. This was a spark plug which is buried in the ground over there in the dirt. It must have been there for a while. When I bought the house I just dug it up and hang on, what's this off? So I thought, well, the ceramic was a bit loose. So I got my induction heater from Vevor, my Veva induction heater. Induction heated the nut part of it off that goes in the cylinder head. Loosened it and it cracked loose. Took that off. And you're left with this with a nice square bottom on it there. This is actually broke, I think. It broke where the ceramic goes and comes out, where the rivet goes over. It broke right where the ceramic is, where it was folded over on the other bit of the ceramic, the shoulder. It broke off level with that. And this is a clean break, and I thought, well, perfect. I got myself a very good machining tool here. Grinding tool. Might try this old one, this is not hardened. Very much American, USA, the claw. Let's give it a repair. It's more of a clean actually, but we'll see how it goes. Don't know how the camera's going to pick this up, but it may or may not work. I think it's a shit spot there. Still one-handed. There you go. More pressure. We're going to get that angle right. Once you master that angle, it sits pretty nicely in there. Once I get the angle right, you're laughing. May have to rig up some sort of a jig for this. Rig up some sort of a jig to make this get it exactly precise. I'll be fixing screwdrivers all day long. Simply bloody works quite well. I wonder how it goes sharpening knife blades if I'm precise enough for my work. But how it's going to be. Yeah, a little bit. That's a good printing on that ceramic. Really good printing. See if I can clean it off, eh? Polishes quite nicely. Bosch Super 8. RI545. No, it just says Super. Brilliant stuff. Works quite well. Thanks for watching.